face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone, this is Burn Beauty 2018, and I am kind of on a sick day, but I was going through some cool new things I got through a subscription with Ipsy. I'm putting on my lip oil right now that I've shown y'all before. This is by House Laboratories. Hybrid lip oil in Hue. The color is Hue. I wear it around the house all the time. Great lip oil. House Laboratories by Lady Gaga. But I recently, like my husband has a subscription to BattleBox where he gets all these cool things every month. My dog has a subscription to BarkBox where he gets all these cool things every month. I had a subscription to nothing. So I decided I saw a subscription to Ipsy. So I went ahead and I got one for me. There's Glam stickers. Cute little silk bags that you can always use to put things in. And so I got a full size. This is Refreshments Cleansing Face Wipes. I've used them. They're wonderful. I really like the way they feel. It's made by Refreshments and it's vegan. So Refreshments Cleansing Face Wipes. I got full size. And then I got a full size Ace Beauty Violet Sage eyeshadow palette. And this is a brand I haven't heard of, and that's kind of the point of doing a subscription service. You get cool things that you don't know about, and you get to try them. So this is a full-size Violet Sage beautiful eyeshadow palette. Beautiful. I'm going to keep that out because I can do some things with that for the holidays. And it's Violet Sage by Ace Beauty. They're all named after flower. Oh, look at the way, look. That's serious eyeshadow. That's going to be great. That's going to be great. So I love that. That's 2 items. This is by Purelisse, and it's pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. It smells, I'm a little stuffy, but it smells like pumpkin and charcoal. It's pumpkin, ginger, and white clay, which is going to be great. The white clay is supposed to tighten skin, and I've been having trouble with my skin grafts loosening under my eyes and just all over, really. There was one point where I looked exceptionally tired and it looked like my face was falling off just a few weeks ago, and I had never experienced that. I had only experienced tightening of the grafts. I had never experienced loosening, and it was kind of horrifying. You'll have to forgive me. I just put my brows on, so I'm going to mess with them until they're perfect. Put them on for the week. So that's 3 full-size products. I guess I must have gotten 6 because here is a Give Them Lala Beauty, lala.com. And this is an eyeliner in black. A black eyeliner, which I can always use this. Let's see. Boom. Oh, it's great. Wonderful full-size black eyeliner by GiveThemLala.com. That's amazing. And then I have a Venegas Boquita de Rosa Mosqueta lip mask. Oh, I just put my lip oil on. And this is a lip mask. So important for winter. Lip is closed. Oh, it's pink. It's pretty. Okay, so the lip oil feels like oil, and this feels more like kind of a gelatin kind of substance. It's great. Feels nice. Smells nice. It smells like a rose. Really lovely. Oh, there's 2 more things, and these are all full-size products that I got. This is a Luscious hand cream and citrus spritz. I can't smell very well, but I think that smells amazing. It's by Refreshments, so that is the vegan company. I'll keep that in my bag because I can always use a hand cream. I love these silk bags too to keep things in. And then I've got one more product that is La Palette Beauty Vita Yellow Double C Serum. So vitamin C is great for brightening your skin. And this is a serum that you apply after toner. And C is great for elasticity and cell turnover to reveal tighter, brighter skin. And I need that all day long. The skin on my face is from my legs. So you would do this. Just let me feel it. Oh, that feels, oh. It's actually luxurious. So those are all the items I got. I should have been more prepared with the price, but I ordered it quite a while ago. And it came probably a couple of weeks ago. And right now I'm a little under the weather and not feeling that great. This stuff is fantastic. The yellow double C serum, that's fantastic. That feels great on my skin. It already feels tighter. So I got all these full-size items. You know, a full eyeshadow palette. And you're able to tell them what you want. I'm not affiliated with Ipsy in any way. I'm just excited about it because I found that I had bought things for my husband to get cool stuff every month. I had bought things for my dog, and I had not bought anything for me to get cool things every month, and I wanted cool things. So cleansing wipes I can always use, detoxifying mask, eyeliner, you know what, a lip mask, and I was able to go into the system and tell it the things I like and I don't like, things I'm allergic to, things I use, I don't use. I don't want stuff for my hair. I already have that covered. I don't want mascara because I don't have lashes, you know, things like that. And they really nailed it on this first shipment. So I just wanted to let y'all know about that. And if I sound bad, it's because I am bad. I'm not feeling good, but I don't have anything to do. And I wanted to pamper myself a little with the things out of this bag. So whatever you're going through, remember to make the best of it. And whatever it is, this too shall pass. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.